With the new V-Class, Mercedes-Benz redefines the MPV segment, setting new standards with a diverse range of innovations. With 3 different engines and an extensive selection of optional extras, the V-Class can be customized exactly the way customers want. The new V-Class will be launched with the state-of-the-art 2.1-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine with 2-stage turbocharging and 3 different engine outputs ranging from 136 to 190 horsepower. In addition, the V-Class is also the only vehicle in its segment featuring the Agility Select switch in combination with the automatic transmission, creating an even more enjoyable driving experience. At the press of a button, drivers can select from among 4 different driving programs: Economy, Comfort, Sport and Manual. The exterior design of the new V-Class clearly identifies it as a member of the Mercedes-Benz passenger car family. The interior offers a completely new experience of spaciousness. High-quality materials with a comfortable feel and a harmonious color concept, together with a progressive and sensual design language, communicate an exceptional sense of quality for the segment, along with the welcome home feeling typical of Mercedes-Benz passenger cars. The new V-Class, a completely new level of comfort and quality within the MPV segment.